Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and the exact Google account you want to stop prompting. Open Chrome or your device settings and go straight to the Google or Chrome settings panel. You don't need to toggle unrelated options. If this is a managed device, make sure you have the admin credentials or device passcode handy. Once you're in the right settings screen, locate the sync and sign-in related entries so you can make changes to prompt behavior immediately. Now you disable the prompts themselves. In Chrome, go to Settings U and Google Sync and Google Services, then switch off Allow Chrome Sign-In and any auto sign-in or Offer to Save Passwords toggles. On Android or iOS, open the Google app or account settings and locate Sign-In and Security or Accounts to disable sign-in suggestions and cross-app sign-in offers. Make the changes one at a time and watch for immediate feedback so you know which toggle suppresses which prompt. Finish by restarting the browser or app so the new settings apply, then sign out and sign back in to confirm prompts are gone. If this is a work or school device and prompts persist, check your organization's MDM or policy settings because those can override local toggles. If you still see offers, clear cookies and cache or test in an incognito tab to rule out cache state. One key tip: if changes don't stick, verify you're changing the same Google account that shows the prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.